The train was of 6:18 and currently it's 6:20 and still there is no train. You can see people running. The marathon going on. What's up people, I'm Deepak back again with another car spotting video, and today an unfortunate thing has been happened because on the route on which our cars came and we spot them, a marathon is going on, the Tata Marathon 26, and unfortunately till 10 o'clock we won't be able to spot any cars. I guess I'm currently at Breach Candy and we have been said that after 10 cars should start to come, but I still doubt it because drivers can go and anywhere else. We can't say it right now. Let's be hopeful and let's see whether we can spot some cars today or not. And it will be very unfortunate if we won't be able to do, because that's all our content is. Let's hope for the best.
5 minutes later.
As you can see, the whole Breach Candy road is jammed up, like they have put barricades on the road because the marathon is going on. And unfortunately it's almost 8:30 and I haven't spotted even a Porsche yet, not a single supercar. I'm not against the marathon, but it is blocking my content and I just want to see cars and get some good content. I'm really upset about it, but I can't really say anything, I can't really do anything because the main route on which the cars come is the thing on which the marathon is going on.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Seriously can't do anything. Let's see, I'm hoping for the best. I'm here till 1 or 2 p.m. I guess today, and we should spot any car. I want any car. I would record a Porsche, I would record a EV Porsche at least. Anything, I want anything. Not a single car today, but we found this Mustang in this parking lot near Breach Candy itself. You can see the petrol pump over here. I was just waiting here and my friend said there is a Mustang parked in it. I just came here to at least record a 30-second video so I can put it. You can see the Mustang in a black color, it's looking good. And till now I have spotted not a single car, not a single good car, not even a Porsche itself, because Porsches are so common in Mumbai. You can see those cars in normal weekends, weekdays actually, not weekends, but still not a single Porsche itself. And now the days are like this, we have to record a Mustang parked inside for just the sake of content of 10 to 15 minutes. 10 to 15 seconds, my bad. I'm not in a good mood today, man.
5 minutes later.
After a long wait, almost 3 to 4 hours, the first proper car spotting of the day will be this Cayman S. Shit, man. Like, this is the car which I'll record but not put on social media, like not on my YouTube channel. But the day is, I have to record it and post it. I'm not saying that this car is not good. It looks great, but still, it is not something that I was expecting. I was expecting some good supercars today. But yeah, I have to say it. Great car, by the way. Officially the first car of the day.
Five minutes later.
And after losing the hope completely, and after the Porsche, we got a Bentley. Okay. This is at least something, like this is the hope we want. You can see the traffic here, and I guess this is all because of that marathon going on. They have closed all highways and now everyone who wants to go A to B has to go through these small roads which are not even convenient. These guys are stuck here for last 15 to 20 minutes. I'm seeing them. If you are organizing such a big event, you should at least have a good management team behind it. It was not about one place, the whole Grant Road is jammed up. You can see the whole main roads, which are the most essential roads in Grant Road, which people travel regularly on, which they have blocked that road. So how can they expect that the traffic will not be huge?